Hey guys, back again. I'm headed over here to Autozone right here because I got to get this piece that broke off from the battery terminal. I'll show you guys in just a second. I'm arriving here, Autozone, my local Autozone here in Houston, Texas. Yeah guys, so just wanted to show you this piece real quick as I park. I don't want to touch it, there's so much corrosion on it. Let's see if you can see it. The piece actually broke off. As you see, the piece actually broke off. I had to break it off myself. Just trying to get in some light. There. Piece actually broke off. Should be a pretty good picture of it. It actually broke off. So hopefully you can see that. I'm headed in here to my local Autozone. I'm going to get this piece, then I'm going to go back and fix the battery. It was coming up a little bit, so in this situation you definitely want to get the discs, because what's happening is the gases from the battery are corroding everything that's attached to that positive terminal. So what you want to do is you definitely want to get the disc in this situation. I'm going to show you guys how to get the disc and still maintain and save the battery that you have. If you have the money, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get a new battery. But if you don't, and in this situation, I will show you who are on a budget who can temporarily save this battery. So we're gonna put the grease around where they're gonna stick the little, I think it's made out of wool or whatever the material is. It's gonna be a red ring that goes on top of that. Stick some more grease around that, then stick the new terminal on there, hook that back up, and everything should be okay. Okay guys, I'll be right back.